Guys, it's Bernadette here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing and testing out the Pixi Beauty lip products. I thought why not just try them out and show you guys a first impressions on what they look like, what they feel like, and I've got some here to show you. I'm going to be trying out the MatteLast Liquid Lip. If you want to see what they look like on my lips and you want to know how the swatches look like, I think they're perfect nude shades over here, and we've got some bright colors. So if you want to see what they look like on my lips, and if you ever wondered what Pixi lip products are like, then stay tuned because I've got all the details. So stay tuned because I've got all the details for you. See ya. So I'm just going to prep my lips with the Nourishing Lip Balm, and it's really great just before you put any product on to moisturize the lips so it can glide on smoothly and also not get so dry and flaky, especially with matte lip products that I'm going to be trying here today. It has a buffing application at the front that once you glide it onto your lips, it buffs it all off and your lips become really, really smooth. So I'm going to be using that today to start off the lips. So after I've just finished nourishing my lips with the lip balm, I'm going to go on and use the MatteLast Liquid Lip. Now I can't wait to try it on. I've already tried one and that was on my Insta stories this week, and everyone gave me such great feedback and was like, this is a nice shade, it looks great on you. And I thought, okay, why not just try the others and swatch them for you so you can get a real feel of what they look like. And I love the packaging. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? Pixi, you guys, your PR team, your packaging is something I aspire to be when I have my own company. I want my packaging just like this. So it's just lovely. And over here is some skin stuff. But today we are going to do lips, and then in a later video I will be doing some skin stuff. But right now we're going to try the MatteLast Liquid Lip. So I'm going to go ahead and use a lip liner just before I put the matte lipstick on me. I prefer to use lip liners with my lipsticks. Any nice nudie brown lip liner will go well with all types of shades, so that's why I just chose a universal lip liner that will just work with every shade here. So yeah, I really don't know the name of brands, but if you just try other brands from drugstore to MAC to high-end, they've got so many different types of nude brownie lip liners. So yeah, I'm going to start off with that, and I'm going to try the Pixi MatteLast Liquid Lip in All Naturelle, and it's a really nice lip shade. I don't know if you can see it here, if the camera is giving it justice, but it's a really, really nice nude over here. So I'm going to just try it on for you. Let's see how natural this is. Right now, it looks a bit crazy on me. It looks really crazy on me. But I'm going to use the matte lip, my lip liner just to tame it down a little bit around the edges, honey. So this is the shade All Naturelle. Very lightweight. Doesn't feel like I have anything on. It kind of gives me a natural look with a pinky undertone. So it has a lot of pinks in it. So it's really, really nice. I love it. And yes, and I'm going to do a quick swatch for you guys. So this is what it looks like on my hand. This is a swatch right here. I feel like I can wear this to a party somewhere where I want to go away from the typical nude look. I can just wear this with the pinky look, and yeah, what do you think, guys? Let me know. Comment below. Tell me what ones are your favorites. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Matte Beige. This is the only one that I've tried out of the whole collection. So I'm going to try it out for you guys so you can see what it's like. I think it's one of my go-to favorites. This is Matte Beige, and like I said, it's such a perfect nude for everyday wear. You can wear this to the office, you can wear this anywhere. This will just seal your whole look. So I love it so much. I'm just gonna look in the mirror here. I love this nude, and like I said, I wore this just this week, and I noticed I was drinking, eating, and doing the most with my lips. I'm joking. Now I was eating, drinking, and this did not budge once. I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that now it's dried. It's just gone to its mattifying formula, and it doesn't feel like I have anything on. It's so lightweight and so perfect. I thought I'd show you quickly the swatch of it on my hand. So this is the shade Pastel Petal. It's very similar to matte beige. You don't even need to apply too much. I think in the beginning I was applying way too much, but you just a little glide on the lips and you're done. So this is it on my lips, guys. What do you think? Let me know. Now next to try is a really rose. So this is really rose, definitely on the pinkier side, less nude, more pinky. So as you can see, this is it here. Next I'm going to try Evening Rose, and this is the last one out of the MatteLast Liquid Lip range. And this is definitely darker than the nudes I was trying in the beginning. Very evening time, I guess. I'm gonna try it out, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. I thought I was recording the application to this, but I wasn't. So here is the finished look of Evening Rose. I think it really just elevated my look right now. This can take you from day to night. It's so nice. You can wear this even if it's like a first date. If you're meeting a guy first date, this will go so well. Evening Rose is definitely becoming my favorite now. I think I might wear this out this weekend, so we shall see. This application gives you a long wearing, long lasting, hydrating, not drying at all, no flakiness. I feel like I had to try this out the other day just to I was really keen on seeing how this matte liquid would last, or how it would be on my lips, because mattes are a hit and miss. Sometimes you get matte lipsticks that will make your lips become really flaky, really drying and patchy. This doesn't do that. I'm not sure what formula they did. Pixi Beauty killed it, and they have such good ingredients in it, like rose hip seed oil. All of the shades really are very Valentine's ready. I hope you liked all the shades and all the swatches, and I hope you liked my review. If you like this one, if you like the earlier ones, tell me, leave a comment below. Let's talk, let's interact, let's engage a bit more. Thank you so much for just tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.